Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add phone number on eToro account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.etoro.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also, make sure that you're logged into your eToro account. From the main home page, scroll down from the left hand side menu and click on settings. Now, click on the account button. From the option, click on the add button right next to the phone option in order to add in a phone number. You'll need to type in your password for your eToro account to confirm and click on the confirm button. And on the next page, it'll ask you to enter your phone number. Select your country from the drop-down and then type in your correct phone number. After you are done, click continue. A verification code will be sent to you via SMS. Go ahead and open up your SMS app on your mobile device and enter the code that you received from eToro. Now click done and you'll be able to add a phone number for eToro account. If you'd ever want to change your phone number, then you can visit this page and click on the change button and follow the instructions to change into a new number whenever you want. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.